Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 Radeon RX 6750 XT and the Sapphire Nitro plus AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance, and pricing to determine which card offers the best value for gamers and enthusiasts alike. Let's get started. The XFX Speedster QICK 319 Radeon RX 6750 XT is designed for mid-range to high-end gaming, providing good performance for 1440p gaming. It features AMD's RDNA 2 architecture and a boost clock of up to 2600 MHz. On the other hand, the Sapphire Nitro plus AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT is aimed at enthusiasts, boasting a higher GPU clock speed of 3060 MHz and utilizing the newer RDNA 4 architecture. This makes it ideal for demanding games at higher resolutions and settings. When it comes to memory, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 features 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, which is sufficient for most gaming scenarios. However, the Sapphire Nitro plus RX 9070 XT takes the lead with 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, allowing for better performance in higher resolutions and more demanding applications. This additional memory can be a significant advantage for gamers looking to future-proof their setup. Price is always a crucial factor in choosing a graphics card. The XFX Speedster QICK 319 is priced at $399, making it a competitive option for gamers on a budget. In contrast, the Sapphire Nitro plus RX 9070 XT comes with a significantly higher price tag of $779. While it offers superior performance, the price difference may be a deciding factor for many consumers. In conclusion, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 Radeon RX 6750 XT offers great value for gamers looking for solid performance at a lower price point, while the Sapphire Nitro plus AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT is designed for those who demand the best performance and are willing to pay a premium for it. Consider your gaming needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.